Hi everyone. Welcome to Speak English Basics. My name is Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're going to talk about something very important: how to start speaking English with confidence.
Many English learners feel nervous or shy when speaking English. But don't worry, we're here to help.
By the end of this lesson, you'll have the tools and strategies to boost your confidence and start speaking English fluently.
Let's get started.
Alex, why is confidence so important when speaking English?
Great question. Confidence helps you communicate clearly, even if you make mistakes. People will understand you better and you'll feel more comfortable in conversations.
But what if I make mistakes?
Mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. The key is to keep trying and not let fear stop you.
That's a relief.
Many learners are afraid of speaking because they fear making mistakes or being judged. Let's talk about how to overcome that fear. Change your mindset. Think of mistakes as learning opportunities. Instead of saying, "I am bad at English," say, "I am improving every day." Start with simple conversations. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you see around you. Speak in front of a mirror to boost confidence. Focus on communication, not perfection. You don't need perfect grammar to be understood. Even if you only know a few words, use them.
These are great tips. I'll start practicing today.
To speak confidently, you need a strong foundation in English. Here's what you should focus on. Vocabulary. Learn 5 to 10 new words every day. Focus on everyday words like greetings, hello, how are you? Daily activities: eat, drink, sleep, work. Pronunciation. Use online dictionaries to hear word pronunciations. Practice tongue twisters like "she sells seashells by the seashore." Basic grammar. Focus on simple sentence structures. I like pizza. She goes to school.
This makes English learning easier and more fun.
Confidence comes from practice. Here are some ways to practice every day. Speak with a partner. Find a friend or join an English speaking group. Practice small conversations daily. Record yourself speaking. Listen to your pronunciation and improve where needed. Use English in real life. Order food in English. Talk to customer service in English.
I love these ideas. I'll try them out.
Fluency means speaking smoothly. Here are tips to improve. Think in English. Avoid translating from your native language. Speak in full sentences. Instead of just saying coffee, say "I'd like a cup of coffee, please." Use fillers when thinking. Say "let me think," or "that's a good question," to sound more natural.
These are simple but powerful techniques.
Now let's practice a real conversation.
Great. Can we pretend I'm ordering food?
Sure. I'll be the waiter. Hello. What would you like to order?
Hi. I'd like a sandwich, please.
What kind of sandwich would you like?
A chicken sandwich, please.
Would you like a drink with that?
Yes, a lemonade, please.
Perfect. Your order will be ready soon.
That was fun. I feel more confident already.
Let's talk about common mistakes learners make and how to fix them. Speaking too fast. Solution: speak slowly and clearly. Translating from your native language. Solution: think in English instead. Not practicing enough. Solution: speak English every day.
I'll keep these tips in mind.
Remember, confidence comes with practice. Keep speaking, keep learning, and never give up.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a step towards fluency.
Believe in yourself, and you'll speak English confidently in no time.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more.
See you in the next lesson.